Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your gear, choosing the right tennis racket can make a big difference in how you play and how much you enjoy the game. Maybe you've struggled with control, felt arm fatigue after long matches, or just haven't found a racket that matches your style and skill level. We understand how important it is to have equipment that not only feels right in your hand, but also helps you perform your best on the court. In this video, we're breaking down the best tennis rackets of the year to help you choose confidently. Whether you're focused on power, control, comfort, or a balanced all-around feel, we've carefully reviewed each racket based on weight, string pattern, frame design, user comfort, and overall value. Number 8 in my list is HXE tennis rackets. HXE tennis rackets for adults are sold in convenient two-player sets, typically including two full-size 27-inch rackets, two tennis balls, and two replacement over-grips in a protective cover. Designed for recreational and beginner players, they offer everything needed to start playing right away. Each racket comes pre-strung and is crafted for comfort and ease of use. Constructed from carbon fiber or aluminum carbon composites, these rackets strike a balance between lightweight swing feel and adequate durability. Their oval-shaped frame adds stability and helps absorb shock, making for smoother strokes and reduced arm fatigue over long rallies. The grips come with soft over-grips that distribute pressure evenly, enhancing comfort during longer sessions and lowering the risk of wrist strain. With moderately oversized head sizes, HXE rackets provide generous sweet spots. This makes it easier for less experienced players to achieve consistent contact and control, while the open string pattern helps generate spin without requiring advanced technique. Number 7 in my list is Babolat Pure Aero 98 tennis racket. The Babolat Pure Aero 98 is designed for advanced players seeking maximum spin potential with enhanced precision and control. Featuring a 98 square inch head size and a 16 by 20 string pattern, this racket offers a tighter sweet spot, giving players a more connected feel to the ball. It provides excellent feedback and control for aggressive baseliners who rely on topspin and depth to dominate rallies. Weighing approximately 305 grams unstrung, it strikes a balance between maneuverability and stability. The aerodynamic frame shape allows for faster racket head speed, making it easier to generate heavy spin. With an optimized frame stiffness and flax inserts in key areas, the racket delivers improved comfort and reduced vibration, without sacrificing responsiveness. Players will notice the Pure Aero 98 performs especially well on heavy ground strokes, where it rewards full swings and clean contact. On volleys, it offers quick handling and pinpoint accuracy, while its solid frame helps absorb pace during net exchanges. The racket also delivers consistent depth and spin on serves, making it easier to play shots with variety and control. Number 6 in my list is Virkin Month 4-pack tennis rackets. The Virkin Month 4-pack is a thoughtfully designed kit tailored for adult recreational players and small groups. It includes 4 full-size 27-inch tennis rackets, 4 standard tennis balls, and 4 over-grips, providing everything needed for casual matches, practice sessions, or friendly doubles with minimal fuss. Each racket is lightweight yet sturdy, with a frame crafted to balance power, control, and maneuverability. Thanks to the oversized head size, these rackets offer a generous sweet spot that helps beginners make consistent contact and feel confident during rallies. The included overgrips enhance comfort and reduce wrist fatigue, and are easily replaced as they wear down. Although the rackets aren't aimed at advanced competition, they deliver reliable performance for club players, weekend warriors, or family games. The bundled tennis balls are standard pressure and bounce, making them suitable for beginner-friendly courts. The all-in-one nature of the kit simplifies storage and transport, making it ideal for casual use or gifting. The design is functional, with modest graphics and practical build quality focused on usability over flashy aesthetics. Number 5 in my list is Zhuokece tennis racket. Zhuokece tennis rackets are designed for adults who are either beginners or recreational players looking for a convenient and reliable set to enjoy the game. These rackets are lightweight, weighing around 280 grams, which makes them easy to swing and comfortable to handle during longer matches or practice sessions. Made with an aluminum alloy frame and a sturdy steel shaft, they offer a good balance of durability, control, and power. The racket features an oversized head that increases the sweet spot, allowing for more forgiving shots and better performance, especially for those still refining their technique. The grip is designed to be ergonomic, helping reduce hand fatigue and improving shock stability. Included overgrips offer extra comfort and can be easily replaced as needed. Often sold as part of a complete set, Juki's rackets may come with tennis balls, overgrips, and a convenient carrying bag, making it easy to get started right away. This all-in-one approach is perfect for couples, friends, or families who want to enjoy casual games together without needing to buy accessories separately. Number 4 in my list is adult 2-player tennis rackets. Adult 2-player tennis racket sets are a convenient and cost-effective option for those looking to enjoy tennis recreationally with a partner. These sets typically include 2 full-size rackets and a few tennis balls, making them ideal for couples, friends, or family members who want to play together without purchasing separate gear. Designed with user-friendly features, the rackets often have an ergonomic grip and a lightweight frame to ensure comfortable handling and smooth swings. The frames are usually made from durable materials such as aluminum or carbon fiber, offering a solid balance between power and control. This makes them suitable for beginners and intermediate players who are learning proper form and developing consistency in their shots. The head size is often oversized to increase the sweet spot, which helps reduce mishits and boost confidence during rallies. These sets are perfect for casual matches or practice sessions, whether at a local court or during travel. The included tennis balls are generally standard pressure and bounce, suitable for outdoor or indoor play. Number 3 in my list is Senston tennis rackets. Senston tennis rackets deliver outstanding value by offering a thoughtful blend of performance, versatility, and comfort at an accessible price. Engineered with lightweight yet sturdy materials, such as high modulus graphite and composite reinforcements, these rackets are durable without feeling heavy, making them ideal for both beginners and mid-level players. With options in grip size, head dimensions, and weight, users can find the perfect fit to match their playing style. Control-oriented models for precise shot placement, or more powerful frames that generate extra speed and depth. The balance of these rackets leans towards stability to help reduce vibration and improve shot consistency, while string patterns are configured for spin generation and ball bite. The swing feel is smooth and responsive thanks to thoughtfully dampened frames and ergonomically designed handles. Competitive players enjoy the control offered by mid-plus head sizes, whereas recreational players benefit from the forgiving sweet spot of larger head options. Visually, Senston rackets offer clean, modern aesthetics with subtle graphics and matte finishes, conveying a serious but approachable look. Whether practicing volleys, executing serves, or rallying from the baseline, these rackets support development of technique and confidence. Number 2 in my list is Oppum 27 Pro Tennis Racket. The Oppum 27 Pro Tennis Racket is designed for players who seek a balance of power, control, and comfort on the court. Crafted with a combination of high-quality carbon fiber and aluminum, this racket offers both durability and a lightweight feel, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate players alike. Its standard 27-inch length provides excellent reach and maneuverability, allowing for more precise shots and effective court coverage. The racket features a comfortable grip that helps reduce hand fatigue during extended matches, and the handle is designed to absorb shock, minimizing vibration upon ball impact. The string tension is optimized to deliver consistent performance, ensuring good ball control without compromising power. Its aerodynamic frame enhances swing speed, making it easier to generate topspin and slice. Visually, the Oppum 27 Pro sports a sleek and modern design that appeals to players who value both style and performance. Whether you're practicing your serve, volleying at the net, or playing a full match, this racket supports your technique and helps improve your overall game. It's a reliable choice for players who want a quality racket without a premium price tag. Easy to handle and well-balanced, the Oppum 27 Pro is a smart pick for recreational and club-level tennis enthusiasts. Number 1 in my list is Hiraliy 27 tennis rackets. This tennis racket set for adults is a budget-friendly, beginner-focused package offering solid fundamentals wrapped in a lightweight and portable design. Each racket weighs just about 280 grams, easing fatigue during extended play and helping new players build form and coordination with fewer strains. With a generous 105 scale in head size and sturdy aluminum frame, including a reinforced T-joint and water-resistant finish, these rackets are both effective and durable for recreational use. Comfort is a highlight. The ergonomic handle lessens impact on the hand and maintains a secure grip even during longer games. The set includes 2 pre-strung rackets, 3 tennis balls, extra overgrips, and a carry bag, making it a convenient all-in-one option for practice, light match play, or casual recreational outings. The matte body aesthetics give the rackets a clean, modern appearance, and their carry case adds to the travel ease, ideal for park sessions, beach outings, or learning tennis anywhere. While reviewers have mentioned quality limitations with some construction tolerances, most agree that the rackets offer great value and hold up well under regular beginner use. At around $40, the Hiraliy set delivers everything needed to start playing immediately. It's accessible, comfortable, and practical. Perfect for newcomers and casual players wanting to enjoy tennis with minimal fuss and hassle. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.